Hello, today we have a new little job video. It's a little concerning, but we're going to make it work. So you have to upgrade the hardware in the Synology NAS. The DS119J, it's a 1 bay, therefore 1 drive NAS, and the drive is full. Problem is, I don't have an extra $100. And I'm not sure exactly how the file system works, so can Linux read it, but cannot read it. I know it's not NCLS. Probably I can do plug in my desktop behind me here and use Bluetooth to read the drive and copy it back over to the new drive. If I can't, that's just a problem. And my slightly are pretty funny. What was I? Oh yeah. The thing we gotta do is have to unplug the NAS first of all. So I gotta get around the camera. I was behind the camera. That was a smart move. And then or he'll Ethernet and the NAS is free. So look at it, and I'll show you the other way now too. Here's the NAS. As you know, it has power, two USB 2 ports, Ethernet, connection unlock, 2 12 touch screws for the case, and just the power on the here. Why got it? It's turning off no power. How is it just okay? So what we're gonna do is go ahead and lay it down. Grab my screwdriver. Remove the 2 12 touch screws. Remember it's how I got it. Remove 2 12 touch screws. Screw 1 down. Screw 2. Pop that loose. And maybe it's one off. Oh, it comes off. I've been here a long time. This is the 1 terabyte. What's in the block of it? One of my 2. 1 terabyte. What's in the blocks? The other one's in my custom book computer. You can go ahead and put the screws. This is the lens. The screws for the drawer or for the cover, back end of the cover. Because you're not losing them. Not a good idea. Or not. Maybe they gotta go in. Maybe it's this. That works. Probably doesn't have the threads in it. Use reset timer. The power reset, or is that wake up reset? You know what? I'm not gonna find out today. Yeah. Now I continue removing the drive. It's not working. I have this screw back here. Didn't have an option for it, so we didn't use it. No big deal. I can just remove it there. Second screw. Already third screw. Yep. Yeah. It made in 2017, I think. No, 2018. Yeah, I got it in December 2018. Yeah. It's December 25th. One day I remember later. One day after my 17th birthday, yeah. 924, around me on 925. So here is the satellite connector. I'll push it that way to release it. And bam. And drive is free. Do not touch this part right here. Okay. So now I'm going to use Ubuntu Linux to read the data, hopefully off that drive. I put the new drive in, we can just copy right over. Let's just see that actually works. So we're going to do that with my Dell. It's around 51. That one pull a custom board out because it works and we're not leaving that one alone as much as I can. So, you know the reason why I have to. The computer's kind of broken. We're gonna take. Hopefully not break that off because I kind of need that for the second output. I'm gonna take this second off here to do that. I'm gonna put the SSD in around. I'm gonna remove that screw and this screw. Alright. So I'm gonna remove the panel. And the only two things here are going to be SSD. I'm trying to jam in there. So then we're going to need the SSD for this. So I'm going to unplug it. And plug in the hard drive. Let's see. Do I key right? I do not know what to take on this drive. So you're really careful how I plug this stuff in. It's only one way, so. And one that way. Alright. I'm gonna put this like that. I do want that in the case. I might not close it though. Up front. Alright. So now I'm going to plug it into the graphics card. And power. And my motherboard drive and a keyboard receiver. And I'm going to put it on the OBS and see what we can get out of the drive. Okay, so now we're good and I'm going to put the power cable in the computer. There. So that. I'm ready. Shit, power cable. Alright. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start the recording and pull the mouse dead route. Just do nothing number. I have to redo the recording, I'm not sure. Okay, monitor. Turn my screen on. HDMI. And that's it. The camera output. And then power button. F12. On. 12. You guys aren't getting something like that. So I'm gonna do is pull out the keyboard and mouse adapter. Back to the recording computer. And HD60 custom. That's not default. Okay. There we go. And I'm back to. Okay, cool. So now we can actually go forward on this. There you see the that won't boot because it's custom. But now, yeah, you got a simple flash drive, my multi-boot menu, and then boot to where is it? Dell. And then fire that up. Okay. We are getting somewhere. Woohoo. That's a really quiet today. Kind of weird. There we go. That's a lot better. Bit noisy, but you know what? I can clean that later. So good gate on this thing. Maybe I should later on. I don't know. Maybe bring fucking a bit. Nah. I need to put a volume warning in the game, or just adjust the volume so it's not super low, and then boom, bitches, you have volume now. Try Ubuntu. That loaded. Once work out the whole hard drive, let me test. I have something that I want to get up here. I wouldn't be doing this. I didn't care what was on the drive. Oh, that's gonna be very fucking interesting. Network disconnected or offline, yeah, fuck you. Let's see here. Oh, what is floppy disk? Aha! And more images. That one you can't see, it's for a feature. It's for something else, you can't see that. You really want to okay, it's all here, nice. Not back up. It's a bit old. Shit. Awesome. SD card files is editing with. When you play is the question. Probably not because it's not fully installed. Nah, fuck. Probably would play it if I had the right computer. 924, sorry. Looks it's all here. Aborted. You can take a senior stream. I got the one. Alright. But you can get some files about it. Cool. Mac installers. Upper line, upper. Cool. Then we're going to install the new hard drive. I'll probably buy it and we'll copy it all over. Yeah, I'll show you guys that part. Should I install the OS first? Yeah, I should. Okay, install any hard drives left. That's the SSD I'm using on the video later. Well, I get it up and running and then do my other video later. And then I'll work the SSD out, install it. So yeah, okay. But as I'll do hard drive install today. Then it's running. Then I'll do the install of Linux and SSD later. I'm done with the current video I'm hopefully going to do. I think I'm going so far, but I might need it later. Try again tonight and do it. If not, I will. And tomorrow I'll work the SSD out. And so I've been doing make things easier. Copy the files over and be done with it. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Alright. Here we have the Synology DS119J. Let me know if you can guess the drive. And next, unbox the new drive. Okay, we're done the unboxing. But let's go out of this packaging. Alright, slide into the NAS. This is what I listened to the red. TB and before is the old blue, the 1-2 black. And then I gotta cut it up. Of course I do. No big deal. And the circuit board is this. The ESD is fun. LSD, wait, no. I did not say LSD, ESD. Electrostatic discharge, aka gas. To the Sonics. I'll take this. And line up the socket unit, see the label up top. Yep. Put that on and push it forward. Made in May 2019. I ordered it last week. In December. Because they're doing their old stuff. I probably don't use them as drives, the problem. So I can get one with, but if it works, you know what, I really don't do them. Now where's that screwdriver right here? I am so there it is. I don't know if the box was. So now, first take the screws for the drive. And drop down, of course. I got that graphics card when I put that in over here. Fail. And once again, screw the screws in. But later today I'm doing a skin review. I'm trying to do my skin review. My 18th one. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and fire up OBS and my screen capture. And set this up with the new NAS. And then I'll record that part. I'll hit the skin review. Then tomorrow I'll install Ubuntu on that 531. And do the copy over. I might even need the 531 to do it, but you know what? I might have the IRS or something. What should I do for work center? It's not going too well. Tried it 2 years ago and I couldn't do it. And today I'm getting over a lot, so I shouldn't do it. I'm doing it while I can do it. Okay, it's just tight because, well, guess what? I'm not coming back in here for a while. I've been in since I got it actually. For the other day. Alright, cool. So, let's shoot out of the back ones again. So I can get the other cover back on. I said I got in and out, I didn't lose a single damn screw. Then he left camera that's ready for the screw to the hard drive and he goes, like, hey, why did I put the screws at the hard drive? Fuck. Oh, the joys. Alright, and now, I'm sliding the back cover on. It's like side cover, not back cover. See? Leave on the bottom. And the label on the bottom. Alright, but it doesn't matter. Because we don't need to read. It's not pictures, I can't read. It's like... Alright, not so this side, but okay. Whatever this screw bag has. And that screw in. Alright. Wow. That's nice. Does it go over me? That does not hold it in. It's weird. Go on top maybe or I did it backwards. I don't know. These are confusing times. Do not fall in there for the love of God. Alright. Alright, where's that? Damn it. Cheap ass design. They don't hold the fucking cover on. That's just an Audi. Fucking idiots. Whatever. But the screws are in quad today, I guess. Alright. I'll fire up later. Alright, now I guess we're gonna go ahead and set up the NAS itself. So you have no icons. This is on the other screen. I have a dual monitor set up now. It really didn't appear on that screen, which is really annoying. Yeah, there we go. Stupid Synology. And we need to find an option to download the OS file. So DS119. Motherfuckers. Oh, it's the one, that's the one that I have. DS119J DS119J. Okay. And the OS file for it. The desktop. And it's going to go ahead and download somewhere. Yep. Why do you want to order? That's really fucking stupid, actually. Cheap ass. This is browser on it. Products. I don't know how many is. Or do a server next on it. That you can work with. Team base. One base. Damn. Maybe I keep that. Like expensive. Go ahead and turn the NAS on. Better like that one. That's a. Stop that mic. I need to change the channel on this thing. Help it. And yeah, is this turning video? That's weird why I was doing that. Yeah. Just slight error. Yeah. Okay, probably says it's not better. So we can go in there. This mic is not having it. Today anyway. Jesus Christ. Stop it. Hope we can get this thing up and running pretty quick because I need to do another video for this. I gotta adjust the thing on the receiver of it. Hit it against the case of the computer. Connection failure. Check your network settings. This might not do what I want it to do. Let's try find.com. Maybe I don't know. I don't even have the freaking out because it's a different hard drive. Okay. Because you had to do that. Connect. On blah blah. Okay, setup. Browse. Desktop. DSM. Installing it. Yep. Okay. Cool, so I'm gonna stop the video. I'll be back. know, it never fails. Just kidding, it always fails. So we're gonna log in the normal way now. Oh, it worked. Sort of. And they just get the root as it failed. Username. Nope. Your password is weak. Yeah, I'll suppose you're getting in bed. Fuck you, Naz. How dare you hum the Jeopardy game? You now have. Can I not? Okay, I can. I rather not have an export on the internet. And. Nope, I know I'll get it. I forced it in the router. Cool. Yeah. Don't care. Yeah, let's see here. Where's... Oh. Yeah, look. 1.79 terabytes. Perfect. What do I call this? Do not know that segment. That was annoying. Yeah, fuck you. I'm working on that. Scroll it. I did that as well before. The rest of it all. No. Apply. My disk isn't working. I hope the audio was damn hard of it. You're welcome, by the way, cunt. Guess new access. Yeah, I've been logging out. Turn that off. You're right. Okay. Users. Okay, that is the same one. I forgot to add more users. Add a new one for dumb stuff. Nah. I don't think I'll come back in here and do it later. Okay, cool. Now it's up and running. You can be like a file thing here. Which it's not. Wasn't this, but 1.8 terabytes. Whoa! So I was only using 200 megs, so I think I can put SSD in later when I upgrade to a server. These have like a quick on and off. Revenue go thing. Cool. If you all enjoyed, see you. I'm done probably. I'll pull the computer from. I don't know. I'll see you as Linux. I try to set this up. I've never done it. Should never done it. There it is. I've never done it. Should never done it in Linux before. Be honored to see how I can try and get it to work. So here you go here. Okay. Wait, 1.79. 1.8. Oh. How dare you round? Let me see if it works or not. And drag it over because one team monitor isn't quite set up right. Main nose. Works. Order. Windows 10 retarded. Test. still retarded. Not be looking at politicians. There it is. Cool. And because I don't want that folder. We're not frozen back anyway, by the way. It's good. Cool. And now we there. There, gone. Oh. Yep. Alright. And shut the NAS off. Shut it on. Alright, until then, you guys. Till tomorrow. See ya. Alright, guys. So it is the next day. Here in Lex. So the NAS is plugged in. I'm gonna see if we can connect to it over the network. Connect the server. What do I know? No, you bitch. I'm gonna assume somebody. That's a good one. Alright. Cool. Now can we do another window? Yes, we can. Well, let's see, what are the properties of this? How big is this? 762 megabytes, so clearly these are not my files. Oh. So this is the off system files. This is not a big system file, it's not off system files. My video upload. Yeah. Plans. Why? I know I still have that. I mean. Editing 3, oh Jesus Christ. Good. Yeah. What stuff is good bro, I think I need drivers, main, event, upload. So 44 items, that is not very well. Let's see how much this is. This is almost a terabyte of data. More than that. That's fine. I haven't taken to this one, right? So this is probably not, this is not only SATA 2 on the computer, but 10100 Ethernet. Yeah, this is gonna be about, not that long, I hope. Oh, this might be a bad idea. Yeah, let's not do that right now. Just delete. Can't do that. I want to stick on it. Let's see. 2.8 gigs. 3 megs. This is supposed to get pretty big. Let's do these for right now. I can't do 31 hours. Let's keep that. 177 megs. that I can deal with. So let's go today. It's turning like 6 at night. So that might be all freaking night. Let's see if I would 5:54. 5 hours. It shouldn't be that bad. It's like not quite a blank one. I'll be up at 5:40. That's fine. Alright, back to you guys. Ow. That was a fucking nightmare. Seriously. Synology. Fuck you. Symbolic link not supported. Oh, fuck off. Trying to copy the photo of a pain in the ass. I had to delete this like weird folder. What the name was now. Look at every little folder. Let's create its own little folder called. I'll put it somewhere. It's been like a month I've done this. The other folders to get a copy some of it over, and then the AMD library files wouldn't copy over because some symbolic link not supported error. To copy it over, after I use something else to copy it, using a ext4 from a hard drive, which is a pain in the ass, and flash drives too, format for that. Copy over the AMD library file. I still haven't tested it all yet. See if it's all there. But I don't have time right now. When I get the video, I'll see you guys can see it. I'll post the update video if it doesn't go well. I gotta test it. But yeah. So definitely getting away from Synology next time, getting something different. I want to get a server, but they're kind of expensive. Even used ones, I might still do that and just do Linux. Instead of Windows server, those are cheaper. But I'll get from the Linux based stuff because I'm doing just a real pain in the ass. And then yeah, man, it's so bad. It's just regular Linux, not Synology's garbage DSM stuff. But yeah, so hopefully I got it all covered. And until next time, something else goes wrong or you get changed, take it easy.